Good day, everyone. Good day, brothers and sisters. I just want to share a video of how to best analyze or how to best identify the key levels. Just for anybody who is new, who might still struggling with identifying the key levels. So I used to start analyzing from the hourly time frame, but now I start from the 4-hour time frame. So what I do is this. You open a chart. This is USD CHF. You mark the lowest point where price reversed, and then you don't mark this point where price is currently at, because maybe it's still going to change, it's still going to repaint. So you use the previous highest point, you mark that one together with the wicks, because you are marking a zone or a region, not just a straight line. Now, your expectation is that if price closes above this, you look to buy. If price closes below this, you look to sell. But the thing is, price might just make a move like this. So, for you to be able to see what is happening here, I hope you all know you move to a smaller time frame. You can move to the hourly, to the 30 minutes, to the 15 minutes, anything that is going to give you a clear pattern of what is happening, in this region. So I'm just going to move to the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so I'm going to move to the 15 minutes time frame. When you get to the smaller time frame, which is the 15 minutes time frame, you do exactly the same thing that you did on the higher time frame. You mark the lowest point at that point in time, and then you mark the highest point at that point in time. It's not this one, it's this one. So you mark that region together with the wicks. Now your expectation is that if price closes above this smaller key level that I have highlighted, you buy. If it closes below this, you sell. This is where you are going to catch this move to this key level. If price closes below this, you then sell. You put your stop loss above this key level. You can put it here, and then you can use a take profit of a 1 of 3. 1:3, something like this. So that is the basis of analyzing. On another note, once you have analyzed, even on the 15 minutes time frame, you can just come and check off what is happening on the daily to see the trend. It takes a lot of things for you to confirm a trade. It's on a downtrend, so it is very likely that price sells here on USD CHF. It's Monday, so please keep watching this trade. If it closes below this small key level, you look to sell. Okay, I go back to the 4-hour time frame, then I move to Euro USD. When you get to Euro USD, you do the same thing. You mark the highest point, it is that, and then you mark the lowest point before, not here where price is currently at, it's this point. And what has happened, price has closed below this key level. And I can expect it to sell. So to find the best sell entry, I'm going to move to a smaller time frame, 15 minutes time frame, and then if price, okay, I do the same thing. I mark the lowest point, and then I mark the highest point. It's that. If price closes above this point, I'm now looking to buy. But if it closes below this, I look to sell. If you want to even find an early entry, you can switch on to the smaller time frame. When you get there, you do exactly the same thing. You mark the highest point, even though it's not clear here, but the lowest point, anywhere around this point, anywhere around this point. This, you can say it's your highest point. If price closes below this, you look to sell. That is how to find an early entry. So that's Euro USD. Let me go back to the 4-hour time frame. Since you are looking to sell, you just check on the daily time frame to see what is happening, just to have an overview. Okay, price is on an uptrend and it is showing you sell opportunities on the smaller time frame. It's a risky trade, so you would want to analyze even further as to what is really happening on the daily time frame. And you see that price closed below this level. It is likely that it continues selling, but you would want to put your stop loss early because it's an uptrend. Maybe your take profit, you want to put your take profit somewhere at this level because price might bounce here and continue in the upward movement. So in this case, you are strict about your take profit. And after identifying your take profit, and when you switch to the 15-minute time frame, you find that your take profit is very close to your entry point, you can ignore that trade. But as for this trade, you can still, let's say you take the trade right here. Let's say you take the trade right here, you can still take the risk, something like this. So this is how you can go about with Euro USD. Let me just pick any pair at random. I just want you to have a picture, GBP, JPY. Just want you to have an understanding of the analysis process using our main strategy. Okay, I start from the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame, I will mark this lowest area, and then price is ranging right here. Price is ranging, so in this case I can just mark this whole region. You mark the lowest and the highest point if price is trending. If price is trending either upwards or downwards, that is where you mark the highest and lowest points. If price is ranging, like in this case, there's no much need for marking the highest and lowest point. You might miss it, so you just mark the region, the whole region where price reverses, and you also mark the whole upper region where price reverses. What you want to catch are the reversals at this point, at this point, at that point. And right here, it's a missed trade already. What you would do is to switch to a smaller time frame and do the same thing exactly at this point. You analyze, you wait for the breakouts, and then you take your trade. All right, I hope you learned something from this video. Please, if you have any questions concerning this main strategy, let me know. I will try to clarify some things. Thank you so much.